I'm Anders Berger, Head of Business Development at Vestas. Vestas is the industry leader in sustainable energy solutions. We design, manufacture, install and service wind turbines across the globe. Our biggest pressure is faster development cycles without sacrificing safety or quality. We need to overcome complexity, build more agility in our processes, and access to real-time product data. For Vestas, digital configures physical. PLM enables us to deliver more customized solutions that match our customers' needs, based on reusable building blocks and modular designs. Digital also connects physical. IoT allows us to combine technologies with wind at the core to expand our leadership. The future of the global energy transition is digital. With the digital thread, we harness product data to deliver greater predictability, highest level of quality, more efficient operations, and create a world powered by sustainable energy.